This video will introduce you to a piece of software that is both a password manager and a web form filler. This program is called RoboForm. RoboForm is a super secure password manager and a huge time saver. It's a time saver because after you've added the information to your RoboForm profile, you are one click away from entering a username and password or even an entire page of information like some survey sites require. First thing you do is head on over to www.roboform.com, and as you can see, it works with most any device or operating system as well as most any browser. Now it's free for up to 10 logins. Then you need to decide which package to go with. Let's check out their comparison page to help you decide which route you want to go whenever you want to go pro. Come on up here to how it works. Then come on over here on the left and click on product comparison. And here right up top, you've got the free version, and I would suggest just to kick the tires, see how things work for you, check this one out first. Gives you a little bit of a write-up on the features that it has. Then you've got the desktop version and the everywhere version. Now the desktop version is $29.95 for the first computer and $9.95 for each additional computer. You can see here that it does not come with online storage or syncing, but this is a one-time cost. Whereas with the Everywhere version, and this is the one that I use, it's an annual subscription. The first year payment is $9.95, and I'll show you here in a second how you can get that for even less. Then for each additional year, it's $20. But with the Everywhere version, it covers you for multiple computers and mobile devices, and it keeps them all in perfect synchronization. I use it on my PC to create and store passwords to new sites that I visit. And at the same time, that information is securely synced with my mobile device that also has my Everywhere RoboForm installed. And that's just the beginning. You can also securely store notes and contacts. I use the Safe Notes feature to securely store information I need to log into my wireless routers, the combination to my wall safe, and of course the longitude and latitude of where I buried the treasure. Now, I've been using RoboForm for many years and loving it. You should give it a try. And if you love it as much as I do, then you're going to see that this awesome tool saves you way more than it costs when you go to the Pro version, whether it's the single license desktop or the subscription for the Everywhere version. Now, like I had said earlier, let's go ahead and save you some money first. How you do that is you go to your favorite search engine, do a search for RoboForm coupon, and in Google, it's the very top one in the paid advertising in the yellow box here. And at the time of this recording, the title says RoboForm 60% off code. Go ahead and click on that link. And you can see that it takes you to the roboform.com page. And right here, instead of it being $9.95 for the first year, it's $7.95. So we're saving you a couple of bucks. And before you spend the $20 next year, do another search on your favorite search engine for RoboForm renewal fee coupon or something to that effect, and see if there's any available coupons at that time. And then at this point, just click on the Buy RoboForm Everywhere if that's the route you're going to go. Click on Add to Cart. Oh, and also you have this option too, RoboForm to Go. This is a one-off cost just like the desktop version. This one is $31.95, and this kind of gives you the same flexibility as the Everywhere version does, only without the yearly expense. But obviously this does have the limitations of the mobile devices, because unless your mobile device has a USB port, then you're not going to be able to sync that information to your mobile device. But it does have the flexibility of being able to go with you and putting it into any computer throughout the world, just like it says here. So that might be an option you might want to check into. But at this point, you go to Add to Cart and make sure that the coupon discount has transferred over at this point. Then you go to Checkout, or if you want to check out any of these other options here, then just add those to the cart as well. Then once you've downloaded the installation file, it's a very straightforward installation process. And if you need any help, you've got screencasts here, you got screenshots, loads of tutorials. And if you still need help, you've got their awesome support staff right here just waiting to answer your questions. That will bring us to the end of this video on an introduction to RoboForm.